Hello students, this session is based on a control structure. The control structures which is used in a C standard C language that will be compatible with Arduino C language. So we can use here if else, for, switch case, while, do while, break, continue, go to, return, all these statements in our Arduino C program. Let's directly see here the how the program how the if structure we can use, if else structure we can use. Now here I have connected a one potentiometer to the pin number A0, that is your analog pin 1, in between 5 volt and ground. Now how it is connected, it is like this. Here we have to, just a minute, see, this is your resistor. The one point of the resistor we are giving to the 5 volt, another this is connected to the ground, and the variable, this is a variable resistor, so this changing value of the resistor which is given to the pin number A0. So as per the value changing of the resistance, the voltage across which will be given to this A0, or which will be given to the A0 pin, analog pin, that will be input to your Arduino. So as per this voltage, you can control the brightness of your LED. So we have to write the program for this like this. So we have to take here two variables, that is sensor value and the output value. Those we have assigned here a data types are integer, and we can assign the value is 0. Now the pin A0, this is connected to the input of this from the potentiometer. So we have to configure this pin A0 as an input, and we have connected a LED to the pin number 9. So pin number 9 is your output. So we have to configure these two pins in a setup by using this pin mode function. See, the first is pin mode. A0 is your pin. We have to configure this as an input. See, this is as an input, and pin mode in a pin number 9 we have to configure this as an output. Serial dot begin, if you are using the communication with a serial window, then we have to use this serial dot begin function with the baud rate 9600. Now inside the main loop, what we have to check, we have to sense the analog value from the potentiometer. It will be read by using this analog read function, and with which pin we are going to use, that pin we have to give, or we have to pass inside this function. So as per the reading value from this analog read function, it will be assigned to the sensor value. If your sensor value is greater than or equal to 100, then we are going to write this pin number 9 is high. For 2 seconds it will be remain as a high. After that, if your sensor value is greater than, is less than of 100, then we can write here the pin number 9 is low. Let's see the same simulation is on Tinkercad. Now you can log in with your tinkercad.com. See, we are taking here the Arduino as a component. Then we need here a potentiometer, that is variable resistor, and we are taking a LED with current limiting resistor. See, we are directly connect the second terminal of this resistor to the pin number 9. First terminal of, that is anode of the LED, which is connected to the first terminal of the resistor, and the cathode is connected to the ground. This first point of a potentiometer we have to connect to the 5 volt. The second point terminal of this potentiometer we have to connect to the ground, and this pin, this is a changing wiper terminal, we have to connect to the A0. So in that way we have performed the connections, completed our connections. Now we have to write the program in a code. See, this is program we have written as per the input and output configuration. Now we can check the changing the value of a potentiometer, and as per the value of a potentiometer it will be changed the voltage level from 0 to 5, and as per this we can control the LED status. So see, I will start the simulation. Now if your value is more than that of your 100, then it will be become as glow. Then we can change here the values. It will become as off. So LED will become as off. So how will you check this if particular data or potentiometer is more than 100 or less than 100? It will be checked by using a serial window. So for checking the value of a potentiometer is on a serial window, we have to write here a one more function, that is by using a serial dot println in bracket whatever value we have received from this analog pin that is assigned to that sensor value, that we are going to write inside that function, that is a sensor value and then semicolon, because each and every statement in C language enclosed by using a semicolon, otherwise it will give the error. So you can see here is your serial window, and we can start the simulation and we can check what is the value of a sensor after changing the value of a wiper on that potentiometer. So see, start this simulation. Now I will open this serial window. You will get the value of here. This is a analog A0 value. Whatever value we are getting on the A0, that will be appear on this serial window. Now I will change this potentiometer wiper. Suppose if it is greater than 100, then it will be remains as on. The intensity of or brightness of your LED will be high. It will become as high. And when your value is become as low, see this is a less than 100, then your LED will become as off. So this is as per the sensor value we can control the LED on and off.